In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Xero. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or just someone looking to streamline your invoicing process, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and comprehensively. To get started, first, open up the Xero website in your preferred browser. You'll need to log into your account, so make sure you have your credentials handy. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your command center, where you can manage everything from expenses to invoices. Now, let's head over to the invoicing section. Look at the menu across the top of the screen, and you should see an option called AILs. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the section where all your sales-related activities are managed. From here, select Invoices. This area allows you to view, manage, and create invoices for your clients or customers. It's a powerful tool that will help keep your financial records in order. With the Invoices screen open, you'll see a button or an option marked New Invoice. Click on this to start creating a fresh invoice. You'll then be presented with an invoice template. The first thing you'll need to do here is to enter the contact details. This is typically the person or business you are invoicing. If your contact is already saved in Xero, you'll just need to start typing their name, and the system will likely auto-complete it for you. If it's a new contact, you'll need to enter their details manually. Next, you'll enter the issue date. This is simply the date when the invoice is being created and sent. It's important because it helps track when the transaction started. Just below the issue date, you'll also need to specify the due date. This sets the timeline for when you expect to be paid. Being clear about this is crucial for keeping your cash flow steady. After setting the dates, you'll then fill out the rest of the invoice. This includes line items for each product or service you are billing for, along with the quantity, unit price, and any applicable taxes. Ensure that all details are accurate to avoid any confusion down the line. You can also leave a note or any terms and conditions if they apply. Once you've completed all the relevant fields and reviewed everything for accuracy, you'll find the option to Approve and Email. When you click on this, your invoice will be finalized and sent directly to the client's email address. It's as simple as that. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to create and send invoices using Xero. With practice, this process will become second nature, helping you manage your business finances with ease. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to guiding you through more business solutions in our upcoming videos.